So to make this, we're going to go into our blender with some evaporated milk. I'm going to grate in a little bit of fresh nutmeg, just a little bit. You don't want to overpower this. You still want to get that original Barfi flavor. I'm going to go in with a little bit of essence, and I'm using some mixed essence here. I'm going in with some cardamom or elaichi powder and some fresh ginger. 1 tin of Nestle cream or table cream goes in next. And to get that real Barfi flavor, we need some instant powdered milk. I'm going to go in with some vanilla ice cream. This is just gonna make it really rich and luxurious. And all you have to do now is blend. Once it's well incorporated, you wanna taste it and adjust your flavorings accordingly. So guys, if you're trying to use more diabetic friendly recipes without much sugar, this is gonna be so perfect because it's at the perfect flavor level. You taste that Barfi in there, it tastes just like a Barfi like you would eat, but it's not packed with a ton of sugar. And I'm gonna finish this by topping it with some whipped cream. Finish with some sprinkles, and then your Barfi milkshake is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try, let me know what you think. Thank you all for requesting it. I tried to make as much of the recipes this Diwali as I could. So if you all enjoyed this Diwali season recipes, comment and let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!